Tall giraffes stand side by side, stretching their necks so long and wide. They munch on leaves way up high, waving their heads as we pass by. Three bright parrots flying in the sky, red, green, blue, see them fly. They sing a song, tweet, 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 clapping their wings to a happy beat. Four big elephants stomp the ground with heavy feet that make a sound. Boom, 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 they march in line, spraying water, it's bath time. Five funny frogs jump up and down, leaping all over without a frown. They ribbit and croak, let's hop around, splashing in puddles without a sound. Six sneaky snakes slither and slide, wiggling softly as they hide. Hiss, 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 they twist and twirl, dancing like ribbons that spin and swirl. Seven happy hippos sit in the sun, wiggling their toes and having fun. They blow big bubbles in the stream, living their happy hippo dream. Eight silly lions roar with delight, chasing butterflies left and right. Their manes are fluffy, their paws are wide, they play all day with jungle pride. Nine buzzing bees go buzz, 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 flying around the jungle fuzz. They gather nectar then zoom away, working hard the whole day. 10 dancing bears take center stage, twisting and turning like a sage. They spin and bounce and roll on the floor, then tumble down and dance some more. 8, 9, 10, hooray! We learn to count today. So want to know you